to showcase Ed's works. The first time I saw her works, I was already mesmerized. But all the more as I came to know her story. And ngayon, kanina we had an artist talk and mas marami pa akong nalaman tungkol kay Ed and the process that she goes through with her great works. And yun nga, isa sa na-mention namin kanina was how this all started na yung cranes pala, start with the cranes. It was her husband who started making them. And then, now that he has passed on, she remembers her husband by putting them as cranes in her works. Kasi her husband was one doing the cranes. But we mentioned nga also, but that doesn't really know. Kasi there's a Japanese myth na if you make 1,000 cranes daw, your wish for healing will come true. So maybe that's the reason why her husband has been doing cranes. But for Ted, it's really remembering her husband through those cranes. And then the artworks naman, she showcases them and expresses them in her paintings as it is. Hindi yung perfect na mga dahon, but like these paintings na may sira na konti, natutuyo na. Meaning in life, nothing's perfect. And then, ito, bago to kay Ted. Sabi ko nga, hindi siya nahinayan na gupitin yung artwork ng isa para itakip. At ginawa lang niya yun para takpan yung pangit na pangit siya dun sa painting ng Begonia sa ilalim. But it turned out very, very nice. And yun nga, sa akin nakikita ko na in life, there's always something beautiful that can cover up things that are not so good. And then the verse that comes to my mind dyan is, what the enemy has intended